In this video, I am going to walk through how to update Office 365. I am using Office 365 Excel on a computer running Windows. Microsoft updates Office 365 frequently. Some features are not available until you update your version of Office 365. Note that installing Office 365 is not the same thing as updating Office 365. Update Office 365 right after installation. To start the update process, click on File in the ribbon when in Excel or any other Office 365 app such as Word or PowerPoint. Next, select Account. Click on Update Options. You will be prompted to close all Microsoft applications that are currently running. Select Update Now. Updates usually do not take a long time. That's it, we are done. This video was created and narrated by Dr. Wendy Tietz and is part of the Excel Skill Builder video series. See accountingintheheadlines.com for additional faculty and student resources.